welcome to TGFF. This is Jerry, and like always, thank you so much. Thank you so much to all you guys for watching my videos, sharing, subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for the bottom of my heart. You guys are awesome. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. And today I stopped at McDonald's and I got some Buttermilk Crispy Chicken. Well, I ordered the large meal. $9 for a large meal. I don't know. It seems a little expensive, $9 for a meal. But let's see how let's see how it tastes. Large fries, which I like it, and the sandwich. Very neat, very crafty. I like it. Like always, nice crispy chicken. The bun, very nice. Lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise, and it's not bad. It looks good. Let's see how it tastes. Very good. Nice and crispy. Tastes a little sweet. The bun tastes a little very sweet. Very good. I like it. From 1 to 10, I'll give it 9. I really give it 9. I love it. Nice, crispy. The chicken moist inside. I mean, it mixed really good with the mayonnaise and the crispiness of the lettuce. I mean, I really like it. I definitely give it 9. Nothing like fries too. Fries from McDonald's. Fries and sandwich. What else? Well, thank you so much for watching the review. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video, and I'll give you a like to my videos. All right. Until next time. Thanks God for food.